Let me be straight with you from the start. This is not a get-rich-overnight video. Every single method I'm about to show you is real, requires actual work, and can be started today with zero prior experience. The difference between 2026 and 3 years ago is that AI does the heavy lifting now. You just need to know how to point it in the right direction. Let's get into it. Way number 1. Selling ebooks on Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. It's Amazon's self-publishing platform and it's completely free to use. You upload a book, set your price, and every time someone buys it, Amazon pays you up to 70% royalty. The problem used to be writing the book. That's where most people gave up. That problem no longer exists. Here's how it works now. You pick a niche, something people are actively searching for and buying. Think home organization, productivity, parenting, personal finance, fitness habits, practical non-fiction topics with real demand. You go to Claude AI, give it a detailed prompt describing exactly what kind of book you want, who it's for, what problems it solves, and how many chapters you need. Claude writes the full manuscript. You edit it, format it using a free tool like Readsy or a Word document, design a cover using Canva or an AI image tool, and upload everything to KDP. The book goes live on Amazon within 72 hours. You don't hold inventory, you don't ship anything. When someone buys your book at 3 in the morning, Amazon processes it and pays you. That's passive income. One book might make $50 a month. 10 books might make $500. The math gets interesting fast. Way number 2. Freelance web design using AI. This one surprises people. You don't need to know how to code. You need to know how to talk to AI clearly, and most people already know how to do that. A small business owner in your city right now needs a website. They don't have one, or the one they have looks like it was built in 2011 and they know it. They're willing to pay someone to fix that. That someone can be you. You go to Claude, describe the business, give it the sections they need, specify the colors and style, and tell it to output a single clean HTML file. Claude builds the website. You preview it, make a few tweaks by asking Claude to adjust things in plain English, and then deploy it live using Vercel or Netlify, both free. You hand the client a live URL and charge them for the service. A basic business website can go for anywhere between 50,000 Naira to 200,000 Naira, depending on your market and how well you present yourself. You can do 3 or 4 of these a month. That's a real income stream, and every project gets faster as you get better at prompting. Way number 3. AI content writing for businesses. Every business needs content. Blog posts, product descriptions, social media captions, email newsletters, website copy. Most business owners either hate writing or don't have time for it. They pay people to do it for them. You can be that person. You use Claude to produce high-quality, well-structured content, and your job is to brief it properly, review the output, edit for the client's tone, and deliver it clean. That's the skill. Not the writing itself, but knowing how to get great writing out of an AI and make it sound human and specific. Content writing packages for small businesses typically start around $30 to $50 per piece. If you're serving Nigerian clients, you price in Naira based on your market. If you're going international on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, you price in dollars. Either way, 5 clients giving you regular work is a sustainable income. Way number 4. Selling AI-generated digital products on Etsy. Etsy is not just for handmade crafts. One of the fastest growing categories on the platform right now is digital downloads. Printable planners, journals, workbooks, wall art, Notion templates, budget trackers, habit trackers, wedding invitations. People buy these, download them instantly, and print or use them at home. You make the product once and sell it unlimited times. AI makes creating these products dramatically faster. You design the layout concept, use Claude to help you write the content inside planners or workbooks, use an AI image tool or Canva to design the visuals, export as PDF, and list it on Etsy. A single well-designed planner can sell hundreds of copies over time. The key is niching down. Don't make a generic planner. Make a meal prep planner for busy moms. Make a content calendar for small business owners. Make a study planner for university students. The more specific, the less competition, the more likely someone searching for exactly that thing finds yours. Way number 5. Faceless YouTube channel. This is literally what you're watching right now. A faceless YouTube channel means you never appear on camera. It's just screen recordings, voiceovers, graphics, and editing. The niche you pick determines how much money is in it. AI, personal finance, tech tutorials, and business content all attract high-paying advertisers. The AI money angle is strong right now because the audience is large, growing, and highly engaged. People want to learn how to use these tools. You make tutorials, tool breakdowns, workflow videos, and how I made money with X content. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you apply for YouTube monetization and start earning from ads. Beyond ads, you can also earn from affiliate links, recommending tools in your description, and getting a commission when people sign up. Tools like 11 Labs, Hostinger, and various AI platforms all have affiliate programs paying between 20 and 40% recurring commissions. One video that ranks well can pay you every single month from multiple sources. Way number 6. AI automation services for small businesses. This one has the highest income ceiling on this list. Small businesses spend enormous amounts of time on repetitive tasks, responding to customer inquiries, sending follow-up emails, posting on social media, updating spreadsheets, booking appointments. All of these can be automated using AI tools like N8N, Make.com, and Zapier, combined with AI models that handle the thinking parts. You learn how to build these automations, then approach local businesses and offer to set them up. A restaurant that manually responds to every Instagram DM asking for their menu and opening hours. You build them an AI bot that handles all of that automatically. A real estate agent who manually follows up with leads. You build them an automated email sequence that does it for them. You charge a setup fee and an optional monthly retainer for maintenance. A single automation build can be worth anywhere from $100 to $500, depending on complexity. 3 or 4 clients on retainer gives you predictable monthly income. Way number 7. AI image generation for stock sites and print on demand. This is the most hands-off method on this list. AI image generation tools like Midjourney, Ideogram, and Adobe Firefly can produce professional quality images in seconds. These images can be sold as stock photos on platforms like Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, and Pond5, or used to create print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and posters through platforms like Redbubble and Merch by Amazon. The income per individual item is small, a few cents to a few dollars per sale, but the model is volume. You upload 100 well-designed images across multiple platforms. Some of them sell regularly. Over time, the catalog grows, the passive income grows with it, and you never created a single physical product. The important thing here is originality. Don't just generate random images and dump them everywhere. Research what sells: seasonal content, business icons, motivational quotes, specific niches with demand. AI makes production fast, but research and targeting is still what determines whether you actually make money. So those are the 7 ways: ebooks on KDP, freelance web design with AI, content writing for businesses, digital products on Etsy, a faceless YouTube channel, AI automation services, and AI image generation for stock and print on demand. Here's the honest truth. None of these will make you rich in the first month. But every single one of them is a real business model that real people are earning from right now. And AI has made the barrier to entry lower than it has ever been. You don't need a degree, you don't need startup capital, and you don't need years of experience. You need consistency and a willingness to actually start. Pick one and go deep on it for 90 days. That's the move. If you want me to go deeper on any of these, a full step-by-step breakdown of exactly how to get started, drop a comment and let me know which one. I'll make a dedicated video on it. Subscribe if this was useful. I post AI, build, and money videos every week. All practical, no fluff. See you in the next one.